The seated position is excellent for addressing the back and shoulder muscles, which often become tight due to prolonged sitting and stress. We utilize the basic technique in the same way as we did in the prone course. It serves as our starting point, allowing us to spread oil evenly across the back and shoulders. It's also an ideal technique to revert to when we're unsure which technique to use next, or in between different techniques. The first technique we are going to advance to will be the descending hands technique. Starting just below the ears, we want to move both hands in a descending motion towards the shoulders. We aim to press down with the edges of our hands using our pinkies. The pressure should be applied when descending. When moving back up towards the neck, we want to glide over the skin with minimal pressure. Be sure to maintain contact throughout the entire duration of performing this technique without releasing our hands. Next up is the thumb circle technique, which we also covered in the prone course. Beginning at the middle of the back, we aim to move up towards the trapezius muscles. Use the edge of your thumbs. If you want to massage deeper and more intensively, then use your fingertips. If you want to focus on one side, you can also do this with the one-handed variant. This technique is ideal for relaxation of the trapezius muscles. Here, you make a sort of kneading motion, massaging the muscles between your thumb and hand. Be sure to cover both sides when working with the one-handed variant. Another great technique which is ideal for massaging the trapezius is the flat hands technique. Here, you use a flat hand to massage from the middle of the back all the way to the front of the trapezius, while keeping your fingers connected. Make sure not to push the individual too far forward to prevent this. You can hold the shoulder with the other hand. The final technique is perfect if we want to apply more pressure to a specific area. This technique is called the plow technique. We want to follow the same path as with the one-handed technique, but this time, you pull your fingers deeply through the muscles in a sweeping motion, resembling a plow when returning back towards the middle back. The pressure should be applied when pulling. Always pay attention to the intensity and make sure your nails are trimmed to avoid discomfort for the recipient.